Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson's English School. Today we'll start our day with the lesson Faced with Prejudice, that is a railway journey. But before starting this chapter, first let us learn the meaning of what is meant by prejudice. The word comes from the Latin that is before and judge. Prejudice is a negative emotional attitude held towards members of a specific social group. Now let's have a look of example. Liking someone just because they have blue eyes, or not liking someone just because they don't have blue eyes. Let us see some more examples of it. Many times you have been rejected just because of the skin color you have, or just because the color tie you are wearing you have been rejected. So these are some of the examples of it. Now let us start with the warm-up questions. That is, does everyone in your class look the same? Answer yes or no. Now, has anyone made fun of you because of the way you look? How did you feel? Who would you like as a friend? Someone who looks good or someone who is good at heart? Now, dear students, let us start with the story A Railway Journey. On the 7th or 8th day after my arrival, I left Durban. A first-class ticket was booked for me. The train reached Maritzburg, the capital of Natal, at about 9 p.m. Beddings used to be provided at this station. A railway servant came and asked me if I wanted one. No, said I have one with me. He went away, but a passenger came next and looked me up and down. He saw that I was a colored man. This disturbed him. Out he went and came in again with one or two officials. Soon another official came to me and said, "Come along, you must go to the van compartment." But I have a first-class ticket, I said. That doesn't matter, rejoined the other. I tell you, you must go to the van compartment. I tell you, I was permitted to travel in this compartment at Durban and I insist on going in it. No, you won't, said the official. You must leave this compartment or else I shall have to call a police constable to push you out. Yes, you may. I refuse to get out voluntarily. The constable came. He took me by the hand and pushed me out. My luggage was also taken out. I refused to go to the other compartment and the train steamed away. I went and sat in the waiting room, keeping my handbag with me and leaving the other luggage where it was. The railway authorities had taken charge of it. It was winter, and winter in the high regions of South Africa is severely cold. Maritzburg being at a high altitude, the cold was extremely bitter. My overcoat was in my luggage, but I did not dare to ask for it, lest I should be insulted again, so I sat and shivered. I began to think of my duty. Should I fight for my rights or go back to India? Or should I go on to Pretoria without minding the insults and return to India after finishing the case? Value gems. We must respect all religions, cultures and languages. We must not judge others on the basis of their appearance, for example, color of skin, height, weight. Auto suggestions. I treat everyone the way I want them to treat me. I respect those cultures that respect human beings. I treat everyone with fairness and equality. Thanks.